everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Today in this video, I want to show you something super easy. I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade tostadas. I am going to be making them out of ground beef. You can surely change up the beef if you like. You can use pork, you can use roast. It doesn't matter. It's going to be delicious. So if you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. Starting with our ingredients, going to need corn tortillas, but that is only if you're going to be making your own tostada shells. We're also going to be needing some ground beef, some beans, which we are going to mash here in a minute, some diced lettuce, some diced tomato. Remember, you can use as much or as little of these ingredients as you like. Some cheese. I'm just using medium here. And if you're going to add guacamole, grab yourself some avocados. Okay, we got the ingredients down. Let's get started. Here in a pan, I am going to add some oil. You can use any type of oil that you like. I have my heat at medium high. You want to wait until this oil gets hot enough. And I'm just placing a paper towel on top of this plate just to drain out the oil once these are done. So with my prongs, I'm just adding the tortilla into this hot oil. And pretty much here, all I'm going to be doing is flipping over and flipping over until we get a crisp shell. This will take some time, and depending how many tortillas you are making. So just continue to do that until you are done with crisping all of them. Trust me, this will make your tostadas even better. Don't forget to place these on your paper towel just to drain out that extra oil. And these are done, so we are going to continue to our next step. In this pan, I added some oil, not too much. I added my beans, and I am going to add some water. This is just to help it get soft. All I'm going to do here is stir it just for maybe about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to use my masher and just mash. And these are done now, so we are going to set this aside and get going with our next step. In here, I'm just going to add my ground beef. And again, with my masher, this is such a great masher for everything. I'm going to just wait until this browns before I start adding any spices. Once that's browned, the spices that I am going to add in, this is just some cumin. And I'm going to add in some pepper and some salt. Feel free to add whatever spices you like. And all I'm going to be doing is stirring the spices into the ground beef. And this is done. And everything is all done. It's all prepped. We are ready to eat. What I'm going to do first is grab my tostada, and like I said, that the avocado, the guacamole, it's optional. I like to add it on mine. So what I do first, I add that. I guess we'll add a generous amount. And then I'm going to add my beans. Next goes your ground beef or whatever kind of meat that you're using. So top it on here. Then I'm going to add my lettuce. Then I like to add the cheese. Last but not least, your tomato. Delicious tostada. Okay, so I like to serve these with a homemade salsa, and I've got it right here. You really can't have this without any salsa. I'm going to just add it to the top. Add as little or as much as you like, don't matter. So are we ready to taste it? Here it is with everything on it. Let's try it now. Bon appetit. I'm gonna get that side, but look how loaded this is. These are delicious. I think the guacamole just gives it that extra kick. And with the good salsa, you can't go wrong. Very delicious. Also, the homemade tortilla shell, it's really just perfect. Of course, you can buy it at the store, but I do prefer mine homemade. It just tastes better. And that is it, everybody. My recipe for homemade tostadas. If you happen to make this recipe, let me know down below. Also, leave a nice comment. Can't hurt, right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. You don't want to miss out on any of my recipes. Until next time, bye!